In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom audiences in Google Ads. This process can enhance your marketing strategy by targeting specific groups of people who are more likely to engage with your ads. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Google Ads platform. Once there, you should find yourself on the overview page. This is the central hub where you can access various tools and features. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your credentials. Now that you're on the overview page, look toward the left side of your screen. You'll notice a range of options, including a tools section. Hover your mouse over this section. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu brimming with useful features. In this drop-down menu, you'll find something labeled Shared Library. This is where you manage your audiences and other shared resources. Click on this option and it will take you to another page. On this new page, you'll see an option called Audience Manager. This is your command center for creating and managing the segments of your audience. Simply click on Audience Manager to proceed. Once you're in the Audience Manager, look for a plus icon. This little symbol is your gateway to creating a new audience. Click on it and a variety of options for custom audiences will appear. Select website visitors to proceed. This allows you to track and target people who have interacted with your website. Now it's time to dive deeper with segmentation. Start by giving your new segment a name. Choose a name that accurately reflects the characteristics of the audience you're trying to reach. As you move forward, you'll have the opportunity to define the customer type. This involves choosing whether you're targeting all website visitors or narrowing it down to those who completed specific actions on your site. Carefully consider which option aligns best with your marketing goals. Next, define the segment members. This step entails specifying conditions that decide who gets included in your audience. These could be people who visited a particular page or those who spent a certain amount of time on your site. After you've established your criteria, you have some action options to consider. These could range from including members who visited your site in the last 30 days to those who performed particular actions. As you configure these settings, pre-fill options will appear. They allow you to decide if you want to include past users who've met your segment criteria during a specific time frame. You can add a brief description to your segment to clarify its purpose or the conditions you've set. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the configurations, click on Create Segments. By doing this, you've successfully constructed a custom audience tailored to fit your advertising needs on Google Ads. Congratulations, you're all set to optimize your ad campaigns strategically. Remember, refining your audiences is a continuous process. It's beneficial to regularly review and adjust your segments to maximize engagement and results. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy advertising.